To set up Face ID on the Wells Fargo app, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Face ID technology and that you have the latest version of the Wells Fargo app installed. Open the Wells Fargo app and log in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Security section of the app, which is usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. In the Settings section, look for the option to enable biometric authentication, which may be labeled as Face ID, facial recognition, or biometric login. Tap on this option to proceed with the setup process. You will be prompted to allow the Wells Fargo app to access your device's camera, which is necessary for Face ID to work. Review the prompt and tap Allow or OK to grant the necessary permissions. Next, you will be asked to position your face within the frame displayed on the screen. Look directly at the camera and make sure your face is centered and well lit. The app will then scan your face and create a unique facial map. Once the scan is complete, you will be prompted to review and agree to the terms and conditions of using Face ID with the Wells Fargo app. Read through the terms carefully and tap Agree to confirm. After agreeing to the terms, you will be asked to create a backup password, which will be used in case Face ID is not recognized. Choose a strong and unique password that you can remember easily. Finally, tap Done or Save to complete the Face ID setup process. You can now use Face ID to log in to the Wells Fargo app, providing an additional layer of security and convenience. It is essential to note that Face ID is a secure feature that uses advanced technology to map and recognize your face. However, it is crucial to keep your device and the Wells Fargo app up to date to ensure the latest security patches and features are installed. By following these steps, you can easily set up Face ID on the Wells Fargo app and enjoy a secure and convenient way to manage your accounts.